Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel once again. Please, in this video I'm going to reveal to you a secret website, a reliable data bundle website on which you can buy and sell data bundle packages at a profitable cost. Data bundle prices on this particular portal or on this particular website is not expensive at all. It is a secret website, but in this video I'm going to reveal it to you and I'll show you how you can use this particular website to buy and sell data bundle packages. On this website there are several packages available. There are several packages available on this particular website. So they have packages for agents and packages for regular customers. They even have some other services on this particular website. Now, in our previous videos, I made some videos on some particular websites that you can use to buy and sell affordable data bundle packages at a very low price and make huge profit. So some of those websites are still working, some of them are still existing. So in this lesson I'm going to reveal to you another reliable website that I started using some time ago and I have seen that it's really helpful. So please make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Make sure that you don't skip any part of the video. Make sure that you share the video with your friends to also know this particular website and begin to use this particular website to make some coins, because the data bundle business is one of the businesses in Ghana here that can fetch money into your pocket without any stress and without any challenge. So without wasting much time, let's just delve straight into this particular lesson and look at the exact website that I'm talking about. All right, so let's quickly launch our browser. Any browser at all that you are using, let's just launch it. So the name of this particular website is goldendata.company.site. So I have the name of the website appearing here. So this is the website that we are going to look at, goldendata.company.site. This is the reliable. Actually, it has been in the system for some years now. So it is one of the reliable data bundle portals that you can use to buy and sell affordable data bundle packages. It has been in the system for a while now. So that is why I'm coming to reveal it to you, because it's one of the reliable data bundle portals that you can use to buy and sell data bundle packages. So let's just click on it to launch this particular website. All right, so when you click on that link, this is the interface you are supposed to have. This is the interface of the website. So please, have you seen that they have several packages on the website here? They have several packages on the website here. They have packages for agents, they have packages for customers. So let's check MTN portal, then you see registered agents only. So before you can use this one, you have to register as an agent. Good. Then we come to the telecell here, customer packages. Then we come to the AT customer packages, the telecell too. Then we have the registered agents only packages here. Then we move to AFA registration for customers. Then the AT, the Tigo here for registered agents only. So only agents who are registered can be able to use this particular portal, because when you click on it, you want to use it, you need to insert your agent ID, and the system is going to use that particular agent ID to process your orders for you. Then let's come to the MTN portal here. This is for customers. So this one, you don't need to register before you begin to buy data bundle packages from this side of the portal. Then we also have AFA registration for agents. So only registered agents can register AFA for other people here on the agent portal. When you check the price on the agent portal, it's 5 cedis. Then when we check the customer AFA registration portal, it's 8 cedis. Good, is here. It's 8 cedis. So it's better you register as an agent on this website so that you enjoy all these available packages. Then let's move to the down here. Let's come to this side. Another interesting aspect of this particular portal is that they have the result checker packages available here. So they have the result checkers for BEC, then they have the result checkers for WASI. So in case you want to buy result checkers, you have this reliable website to buy the result checkers from. All right, let's come to the down here, the WhatsApp icon here. So this particular website, you can directly WhatsApp their customer support personnel. You can directly chat their customer support personnel on WhatsApp. It's not like the previous ones where you have to send emails or you have to contact the customer support personnel on email before your concern can be addressed to, or your complaint can be addressed for you. So that is another interesting feature on this particular website here. So we have seen three interesting features. One is the result checkers, another one is the WhatsApp feature here, then the last one is the agent packages that are appearing right at the front page of this particular website. Now let's check their working hours. They work from Monday to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Then on Sundays, the time here is telling us that they work from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. But what I'll tell you is that most of these websites, you see the time there like this, but they don't work on Sundays. Most of them, they don't work on Sundays. Okay, so let's come to this particular icon here. Let's click on it and let's check something. Good. So we have the various menus here. We have the WhatsApp as menu. So when you click on it, you chat the customer support personnel directly on WhatsApp. Then when you click on become an agent, then it means you are going to register as an agent. So let's click on become an agent and let's see what is going to happen. So when you click on it, then this will be the agent registration form for you. So if you want to register as an agent on this website, this is the form that you fill, you make your payment, then you are good to go. All right, so let me go back because I don't want to register as an agent because I'm already a registered agent on this particular portal. All right, so let's check another one here. Join our WhatsApp community. So when you click on this one, you join their WhatsApp community where you can be able to see whatever the customer support personnel is doing. You can be able to see whatever that is happening on WhatsApp concerning this particular website. So if you want to join, you click on join our WhatsApp community, because in the WhatsApp community there will be updates on delivery and other matters. So it is very, very necessary for everyone to join. So let's just go back to the home page of this particular website. Now the next thing that we are going to do is to learn how to place orders on this particular website. So the first thing that we will do before we even learn how to place orders on this particular website, let's just click on the agent packages. Let me show you something. Let's click on agents only. Good. So when we click on it with a reliable network, we should be able to have an interface like this. So let's check what is here. Let's check. Now we have the agent packages here. Under normal circumstances, there will be a particular section demanding for agent ID. That is why I've been saying that if you click on this particular package, if you use it to place orders without entering your agent ID, it's not going to work. So let's click on it and let's see the agent packages available. Good. So we have the 1 GB here, 4.7, the 2 GB 9.5, the 3 GB 14 cedis, which is very cheap. The 4 GB here is 18 cedis, 50 pesos. And let's come back to the 1 GB here. In the system, people are selling 1 GB data bundle MTN at 7 cedis. Other people too are selling it at 8 cedis. So let's see something here. Now they are selling it 4 cedis, 70 pesos in the system here. So if you buy it and you sell it 7 cedis, how much are you making? Calculate it yourself. And when you buy the 2 gig here, people are selling the 2 gig 12 cedis, others are selling it 11 cedis, others too are selling it 13 cedis. So when you buy it at 9 cedis, 50 pesos here, and you sell it at 12 cedis, look at the amount that you are making as a profit. That is why I'm saying that one of the businesses in Ghana now that you can do and make cool cash without any stress is the data bundle business. So you have time to scroll through all the packages on the agent portal. Now let's go back to the homepage of this particular website. Now let's come back to the telecell here. The telecell customer packages here. So we have the telecell customer package here. When you click on it with a good network, you should be able to get an interface like this. So choose a package or choose a gig. So let's just click on the drop down here. Click on this drop down. Good. Then we look at the available packages here. We have the 5 gig, the 10 gig, up to 50 gig here. So look at the prices. Just check the prices and look at how people are selling it in the system. All right, so let's go back. There is one thing that I want to draw your attention to. Enter beneficiary number. You have to enter the number that you want to buy the data bundle for, not your number. Or if you want to buy for your number, you enter your number there. But if you want to buy for other people, you enter their beneficiary number there. The same thing applies to this one too. All right, let's go back. Then let's go to the Then let's go to the AT portal here. Click on it. So when we click on it with a reliable network, we should have the interface like this. So this is the interface. Let's click on the drop down here to choose or to select a gigabyte. Good. So this is what we have for customers. This is the customer price here. So see, go 1 gig 5 series. Look at that. So this is very cheap. Let's scroll to the other packages. Now let's come to AFA registration. Let's look at the details that you need before you can be able to register somebody on AFA. This one is very simple. You only need to enter the beneficiary full name, the person you are registering the AFA for, then the beneficiary phone number, active phone number, the one that you want to register on the AFA is what you enter here. So have you seen that this one is also simple? The other websites that I made videos on the other time, you see that you have to enter the Ghana card number, the name, the telephone number, the location, the region, occupation, and the rest. Alright, so let's look at how we can place orders on this particular website. So let's select the customer package here like this. We click on the logo. When you click on the logo with a good internet connection, it should be able to navigate you to this side of the portal. So what you do is to select a gigabyte here. You select a gigabyte. So how many gigabytes do you want to buy? Is it the 1 gig? Is it the 2 gig? Is it the 3 gig? Or which one? So you just select it like this. Then you enter the beneficiary number, the number that you are going to buy the data bundle for. You have to enter that particular number here. So you only enter the number here like this. So that is the number that I want to buy the data bundle for. So after entering the number, then you click on add to bag. When you click on add to bag with a good internet connection, it should be able to open the next page for you to continue with your order. Good. So this is the menu that you have. So you have to enter your email address here. So let me enter my email address like this. Then you agree to terms and conditions. So tick it. Good. Then you click on checkout like this. So when you click on the checkout, then it will take you to this page here. So click on go to payment like this. Good. So when you click on go to payment, then you see the payment options here. So pay with mobile money or pay with card. So we are moving to pay with mobile money. Good. So when you click on pay with mobile money, you have to enter your mobile money number here. So that is my mobile money number. So you click on confirm. When you click on confirm, because I'm using that number for the first time to place orders in this system, they will ask me to enter an authorization code. So the authorization code has been sent to that number. So I only enter the code here. I only enter the code here like this. Then click on authorize. Click on authorize. So when you click on the authorize, then you receive a prompt on your phone asking you to enter the mobile money PIN code and click on send. Then you click on yes. The reason why you cannot see it on the screen is that I'm using that SIM in a different phone. Okay, so click on yes. Good. So you see payment successful. So the system will navigate and take you back to the home page of this particular website. So this is how we place orders on this website. Now let's check something here. This is the order confirmation update. When you check your email, you receive it in your email there. So whenever you face a challenge and the company or they ask you to send a screenshot of your order, this is what you send to them, or you send the one that you receive in your email to them. When you are sending, make sure that the beneficiary number is appearing, so you can directly chat them on WhatsApp here. You can directly chat them on WhatsApp in case you face any challenge. So this is how you place orders on this website. You click on home, then it will take us to the home page. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for your time here. If you like this video, if you benefit from this video, if you enjoy this video, kindly share with your friends and family members. Let your friends watch this video. Let them have access to this video. Let them also benefit from this video. Let them also benefit from this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. Let's meet in another interesting lesson on how to buy and sell data bundle packages. So subscribe to the channel as you wait for that interesting lesson. Bye bye.